In the primordial darkness, before the dawn of time, the cosmos lay dormant, awaiting the breath of life. In the celestial realms, the divine beings stirred, for they had a mission to fulfill, to bring forth the universe and all its splendor. In the vast expanse of nothingness, a single syllable echoed, a divine sound reverberating through the void. This was the primordial Om, the sacred sound of the universe's creation, as recounted in the ancient Hindu scriptures, the Vedas. From the vibrations of this sacred sound, the universe took shape. The god Brahma, the creator deity, emerged from the cosmic egg, svayambhu, born from the self-manifested lotus sprung forth from the navel of the infinite Vishnu, the preserver. The universe was still formless, a dark, watery abyss. Brahma drew upon his divine powers to shape the cosmos. He created the continents and oceans, the mountains and forests, the sun, the moon, and the stars. He breathed life into the first human beings, Manu and his wife Shataropa. Yet, the universe was not complete. The universe needed a balance of good and evil, order and chaos. Brahma created gods and demons, each with their unique powers and destinies. The gods, led by Indra, protectors of the universe, battled the demons, led by the fearsome Ravana. The battle raged across the heavens and the earth, a clash of titans that shook the cosmos. The gods, with their divine weapons and powers, seemed to have the upper hand. Yet, Ravana, with his 10 heads and 20 arms, was a formidable foe. The battle reached a climax, and the gods and demons clashed in an epic showdown. Indra, wielding the Vajra, the thunderbolt, struck Ravana, and the demon king fell, defeated. The universe was saved, and the gods rejoiced. Yet, the universe was not yet in balance. The demons, though defeated, were not destroyed. They were reborn, their powers renewed, their spirits unbroken. The battle between good and evil, order and chaos, would continue, an eternal dance that would echo through the ages. The Vedas, the eternal chronicles, recorded these events, the creation of the universe, the battles of the gods and demons, and the eternal dance of good and evil. They are the ancient tales of the cosmos, a testament to the power of the divine, and the eternal struggle of the universe.